In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to your Whop. Whether you're setting up a new business or enhancing an existing one, integrating apps into your Whop is a straightforward process that can significantly boost your productivity and streamline operations. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. To start, you'll first need to navigate to the Whop homepage. You can do this by simply entering whop.com in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the home feed, which serves as the central hub for all your business activities and app integrations. It's designed to be intuitive, but if you're new to the platform, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find a list of all the businesses associated with your Whop account. Click on Your Business from this menu. This action takes you to your business's main dashboard, providing you with all the tools and insights needed to manage your business effectively. If you have multiple businesses under your account, ensure you're selecting the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're on your business dashboard, the next step is to locate the Add App option. Again, this will be in the left-hand menu. Clicking on Add App opens up a new interface where you can browse, select, and integrate various applications. This feature is essential for customizing your Whop experience, allowing you to tailor your business operations to fit your specific needs. It's worth noting that Whop offers a variety of apps that cater to different aspects of business management, so take your time to explore the available options. Whether you're looking for tools to enhance communication, manage projects, or analyze data, there's likely an app that fits the bill. Once you've found an app that suits your needs, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly add apps to your Whop, making your business operations more efficient and effective. Remember, the right apps can transform the way you manage your business, so choose wisely and make the most of the tools available to you. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Whop support resources are always available to help guide you through any challenges. Thank you for watching, and happy app adding!